friend. It likes you already.
Be careful.
Everything.
Everything? Every choice, good or bad.
Nobody is watching. Just take one.
Maybe just one. Finn, remember what the Dragon Keeper said. You're right. Excuse me. May I have one
Of
apple?
course. Thank you for asking.
May I?
The dragon learns faster than you think.
Forget the fence. Take the shortcut.
The shortcut is much faster.
Oh no! My sheep!
Run? I taught it the wrong thing. Let's fix it first. Thank you. Help first.
The valley noticed your choice.
Take it. It's amazing. Maybe it is here for a reason. Mine! No! Put it back! The baby dragon has chosen you! Really? Now you must protect it, because someone else wants to teach it bad choices.
Why practice? Winning is all that matters.
It would be exciting to win. Win! Win! Learning first is more important. Let's go! Sorry! I rushed. Let's learn first. Let's fly together. A true champion helps others improve. Take the big basket. Nobody will notice. Big basket? I taught the wrong lesson.
Laugh softly. Kindness always grows.
Take the crystal. Leave the deer. The crystal could be important. Deer! The deer needed us. Thank you.
You have learned something important. But the Shadow Dragon is no longer testing you. He is preparing the baby dragon for something much darker.
Go alone. You will be the first hero. I can cross quickly. Finn.
A hero who walks alone helps no one.
Nobody crosses alone. Let's help everyone together. Thank you.
Trust makes everyone stronger.
Treasure disappears. Dragons can wait.
What if someone else helps the dragon? Please help me. Sad. We chose the wrong path. Thank you.
The map has awakened. It is showing the way to the Dragon King's temple.
Finn always makes bad choices. Did you really say that? Believe the voice. Listen to your heart, not the echo. Maybe you don't trust me. Friends? I'm sorry. I never stopped believing in you. Friends!
You have passed the Temple of Trust. But the Shadow Dragon is not acting alone.
Do not fear me. Are you working with the Shadow Dragon?
The Black Dragon protects the balance of the valley.
You must be the bad dragon.
Bad dragon. Quick judgment closes honest hearts.
I didn't even hear your story. I'm sorry. Please tell us the truth. Sorry.
Long ago, I protected this valley with the Golden Dragon. He believes
Take it for yourself.
Oh no.
Power isn't helping anyone.
Impossible.
Kindness changes even the darkest fire.
Perform first. Everyone is watching.
Friend. Being admired is not the same as doing what is right.
Let's help first.
Thank you.
Today, you didn't win a show. You won everyone's heart. The Shadow Dragon has begun the final test. Finn, your little dragon copy is everything. One selfish choice from you, and it will become just like me.
Finn, take this power.
Power. No, this isn't who I want to be.
The greatest power is choosing what is right.
The curse is breaking. Let's clean it up together. I'll help you.
Today you become the youngest Dragon Guardian apprentice.
Because you showed me. We learned together. Good choices always spread.
Thank you for teaching me. You became better than I ever imagined.
One good choice became many good choices.